We're going to be destroying this smart car in the dumbest ways possible. And like last time, we only have 24 hours to completely destroy it.
In our last durability test, we completely destroyed a Fiat 500. So let's see if the smart car can do any better.
But before we do anything, I think we should paint this like the little Tykes car because it looks terrible in the silver.
Now, we only had 3 spray paint cans to completely repaint this car. So let's see how it turns out.
Show me how to lie, you're getting better all the time, and turning all against one is an art that's hard to teach.
And now it's got the little Tykes styling. I think we move on to the first durability challenge. So we're gonna get the stunt guy to come now. Yeah, you can come now.
Okay, let's go. Now dance, good dance, man, he never had a chance, and no one even knew it was really only you, and now you steal away. Take him out today.
Well, there's a peasant. Look at this peasant, he's running.
Now, for the first challenge, we got the stunt driver to test the handling of the vehicle on a gravel road. But the unexpected happened, and he somehow crashed into an electricity pole.
Oh no, you okay? Yeah. We're right next to the bollard, but it wasn't me driving. I've just got into the passenger seat to get it out. The person I was driving, you can see they didn't realize that the ABS wasn't working. So when they pressed the brake, it just locked up. We're gonna have to try and get this out, but we can't reverse it.
But then something worse happened.
It's not starting, man. Do you think it's because of this fuse we removed?
But after messing around and trying to plug in the fuse, we found out it's because the car was still in gear.
Oh, thank God.
And now we just have to try and get it out of this ditch.
No. Yes, man. And we managed to get it out. Thank God for that. And now we're gonna keep driving the car. Already you can see the windows aren't working.
And then we ran into another problem when we decided to pull up and unwedge the window by booting it.
Look how flimsy this glass is. Do you see that? Is that even glass? Oh my God. Come on, man. I got to drive this shit home. So we just kicked the door and the entire mirror's broke. Man, we can't make this stuff up. This car is so bad. Yeah, should we see if it actually works? It doesn't. The window still doesn't work. Right, we're just gonna have to try and clear this up, but we don't have any hoover or anything, man.
Despite the devastating start to the durability challenge, we decided to move on to the next test, which was to tow something heavy.
You can see here, someone's fly tipped a fridge, and I actually need a fridge. So we're gonna see if the smart car can tow it. So we're gonna see if that works.
And obviously that instantly failed. So we decided to head back home so we can do the rest of the durability challenges tomorrow.
Look what's happened to this. You think that's okay now?
Straight out of the factory.
Right, let's keep going.
Now the next day, we decided to step it up a notch and head up into the hills where we're going to be completely destroying this car.
This is so dodgy. I'm not supposed to be driving down here, and look how steep the drop is. No, it's padlocked. If we could have gone through this, at least the actual reservoirs you can see. I guess we'll have to turn around on this.
And after turning around and hitting this little bush, it somehow ripped the first part off the vehicle.
We've got some bad news. I just drove into this little bush and look, it ripped off this. This car is actually so weak. I was gonna say some good things about this car before. Now you can see the front radiator is exposed, meaning if we get one hit on this, the whole video is over. So yep, this car is not doing pretty well.
But just before we try climbing one of the toughest roads in the UK with a smart car and completely writing it off, we have one more challenge to complete.
We've got to deliver a HelloFresh package. Let's be as fast as possible. Now, if you're always on the go like we are in these videos, it can be very easy to get into bad eating habits. Well, that's where HelloFresh comes into play. They make eating healthy, quick, painless, and planned out. But I've got a confession to make. Because I had such a wide collection, this week I ordered nachos. What was I thinking?
But luckily, this wasn't processed rubbish from a takeaway. HelloFresh provided the freshest ingredients, and I got to say, they were amazing.
Luckily, HelloFresh has hundreds of options, as you can see here, including healthy ones. And I'm definitely going to be ordering a lot more of them before the chef gets fat.
You can also change your meals, swap delivery days, and pause at any time.
And if you use my code RETALIATE50, you get 50% off your first box, 20% off your next 4 boxes.
And free treats for 2 months.
Thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Make sure you take advantage of my offer. I'm going to get back to the car so we can destroy it and people don't think I'm a weirdo walking around in a chef outfit. Let's get back into the durability test.
We now have to drive the smart car up the worst off-road track I have ever seen.
The car's already getting stuck. You can see how uneven the surface is and they're all massive boulders and rocks. We've got another 14 minutes of this and that's driving normal speeds, which I can't obviously do.
But if we can somehow get the smart car all the way up this mountain, at the top there should be one of the most insane dirt tracks, so we gave it our best shot.
Now dance, fucker, dance, man, I never had a chance, and no one even knew it was really only you, and now you lead the way, show the light of day, night
can't believe this car's made it all the way here. Look at this. You can see how far away Manchester City is. It's all the way over there. And when we zoom out, that's how far away it is. There's even water. This must be like the best place I've ever found for a video. We can even try and climb this. There's a track down this one. And I don't know what this is. I think maybe it's like a quarry or something.
Now, before we absolutely demolish this car, I decided to do a classic durability test.
So before we go into the really intense challenges, we're first going to see how strong this door is. And we're going to do that the whistling diesel style. He always slams the door as hard as he can. Right, we're going to do this 100 times. 3, 2, 1. Man, I don't know how this whistling diesel does this. We're gonna do another 50, but man, that's actually tiring. I didn't expect that. No way, man, it still works. But let's see if it can survive another 50 door slams. What? It didn't even close that time. Oh no! I think we've actually broken it. Watch. Oh wait, what? Let's keep trying. Right, the final one, let's do one big one. That's so tiring, man. That was over 100. Let's see if the window still works. And how? That one broke from one kick. I guess it's because it was half up like that.
On the way back down from the mountain, we bumped into some people in Land Rover Discoveries, and they could not believe their eyes.
Do you like it?
It's sick.
We're gonna try and destroy this car. We took it off-road.
I can't believe it. It's meant up here.
I know, thank you.
You know, well done, my friend.
Cheers.
Oh, sick, you mate.
Be careful, it's a bit bumpy down there. Right, see. They're all surprised that I managed to get this car down there. But tomorrow, we're going back there with my mate and we're gonna completely destroy the car because our 24 hours will be running out. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day and we're back at this track again, as you can see. And this is the day we're gonna destroy everything. If that wiper goes on one last time, I'm gonna rip it off. I do not care. Okay, right, that's it. Go on, I dare you. I dare you. As I was saying, we're gonna completely destroy this car. We got to be fast because we don't have that much time to film. Cole's got to go soon, so we're gonna try and destroy this car in about an hour. Oh my God. This car's actually doing pretty well. Like, I can't believe it's gone up this road twice now. Well, we've not made it up yet, but I did it yesterday, no problem. And now we're going like double or triple the speed that we were yesterday. How's the clearance? Is it all right? Yeah, it's doing good. We've just got to this abandoned quarry or whatever it is, and there's some people here on dirt bikes.
How the fuck have you got over here in that?
What do you mean? It's a f***ing good car. It's because it's light.
Yeah, it's over here.
We're gonna drive it down there later.
What, you going down that?
We might.
Go on, let's get it on video, lad.
So the smart car somehow made it to this abandoned quarry again. I don't know how it's made it twice in a row, but we were driving so fast this time and all of the tires are intact. But even though the exterior may be good, we got to test the interior. So that's what we're gonna do before we do all these jumps, such as this one here. Let's test the interior. These are kind of cool, the little gauges, but how strong are they? We're gonna put the smallest amount of pressure on. Whoa, I'm not reacting, that's really bad quality, isn't it? Yeah, look how bad this is, man. Should we rev it and then rip it off? No way! Right, so yeah, it's stuck, that's what I'm saying. Now when someone sees this in years to come, they're gonna know we are redlining this car. But yeah, that's really bad quality. Oh, there was storage this whole time. I was giving this car praises before, but the interior quality is horrendous. Oh, okay, it still works. Oh no! Yeah, now the wipers, because we ripped this off, we can't turn the wipers. I have to take the wipers off now.
Leave it like that.
Should I?
And next we tested the strength of the split tailgate.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's pretty strong, isn't it? Right, let's try another one. If it survives this, then the tailgate has survived the test of time. Holy sh... Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was What? You're telling me the latches don't latch? That is very disappointing. We barely even threw anything on it and it's already broken. The tailgate is completely demolished. This doesn't close anymore.
Tire's popped.
No. Are you serious?
You can hear it hissing. It's gone. It's down.
We had so much. How are we going to drive back now?
Now, if we can't get this smart car back, we could get in a lot of legal trouble for leaving it here. So it's really important we somehow try to get it back towards civilization.
We got very limited time. We've only got 3 tires now. But now we're going to try and climb up this hill. And hopefully this car doesn't get stuck, or else we've got to walk an hour back home. No, the car's stuck. Right, film. Oh my God. No way, man, the radiator's still intact. If it still drives fine after that, that's insane.
Somehow the car was still mechanically fine, and we only had 20 minutes until we had to try and head back in the car. So we smash it up a bit more.
Man, this door is actually strong. It doesn't latch now though. Cole is gonna try and kick this door again and see if it's just a one-off or if it's actually an issue. Oh my God. That seems to be a common flaw in this car. It brakes with just one kick to the door. What percentage of strength would you say that was? Like, not even that much, was it?
Probably like 1%.
1%. Now we're gonna test the back glass because we got to be back soon. I thought this car was doing well, but that just broke so easily with such a small brick. How about the top glass? Should we do that or? I don't think we should. Let's just hope this doesn't break because we have to drive back. No! I didn't think that'd actually break that easy. Yeah, the whole roof.
Oh my God, man.
You can see how big the shards are.
We now had under 10 minutes until we had to head back. We cleaned up the glass as best as we could, and then decided to drive full speed through the water to see if that would destroy the car.
This is struggling to go into gear as well now, which is really annoying. Holy sh**, man. There's no way the radiator's still okay. Right, we're gonna try and drive back. If this car makes it, then I'm actually impressed. Right, this is really bad. We've got no fuel now. We've got no tire. Our door doesn't close. We can't see out of the window. And we've got about a 20-30 minute drive back. And there's glass falling on us. I don't think we're gonna be able to make this. Thank you. Do you want a lift?
Yeah, you know what, go on.
There's not enough space. See you later. The front tire's popped as well now. I didn't even realize. We have to drive all the way back there to the city. If it does, then this car's done the best out of every car we've ever tested. Those people on the motorbike just said that it's now oil. So we've got to head back before this engine just completely seizes up. If we can't make it back to the car park, we're gonna get in a lot of trouble for leaving it. So let's just hope we can make it.
Dance, fucker, dance. He never had a chance, and no one even knew it was really only you. So dance, fucker, dance. I never had a chance. It was really only you.
Oh! Oh my God. Do you like the car? Yeah, we took a wrong turn. Which one? Oh, the micro car. So we may have found a potential buyer for this car. If that's the case, then we're in profit, even though we're gonna sell it for free. Would you do £0 for it?
Absolutely.
Okay, well, if you want to take it now, you can do. Again, it's got an MOT, it's got there's a few scratches on the car, but it's not that bad. The horn still works. I do not know how, but the smart car made it all the way back with no tires. But somehow this car did not give up. It survived all the challenges, and now some people are going to buy it off us for free. So hopefully someone will come and collect this. We're going to put the key somewhere. And again, thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Use code RETELLIATE50 for 50% off your first order and then 20% off your next 4. So in my opinion, the car passed the test because it still runs and the engine is actually completely fine after we've checked over it. So hopefully those people that we met will be taking it, they'll be recovering it, giving it a new life. Let us know what cars you want us to durability test next. We're going to do some more crazy things in the future. We just didn't have the time. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
See the light.